Hey everybody, my name is Eric and I'm here to demonstrate and have a little face-off about two boom boxes. We got right here the JVC RV-NB10, came out in about 2006. It's got the CD player, cassette deck, aux cord, AM FM radio, but mainly what we're going to be looking at is the aux on this one. And then over here we have the JVC RV-NB70. It's got the iPod, USB, CD player at the top, aux, and that's what we're going to be focusing on. We're going to use the same song to do like a comparison to see which one has better sound. I'm going to start it right now and then I'll get out of the way.
Got to pick yourself up. Pick yourself up. You got to pick yourself up. Pick yourself up. You got to pick yourself up. Pick yourself up. You got to pick yourself up. Pick yourself up. Pick yourself up. Pick yourself up. You got to pick yourself up. Pick yourself up.
Okay everybody, so there you go. This guy right here, the JVC RV-NB70, just got destroyed. Utterly destroyed. It was not even close. I couldn't even tolerate listening to this machine at a high level for that long because it was so bad. It was not good at all. I had to turn it down just because I couldn't really tolerate it. I don't know why, it just didn't sound good. This thing is just superior in every way when it comes to the bass, the clarity. I could tolerate this one at 50, which is the max. So if I were you, I wouldn't even bother with this guy right here. I wouldn't even bother with this one because it's just, it's just not as powerful. It's okay, but my money's right here on this guy. So there you have it. I hope you got something out of this video. If you're trying to find one of these or if you're deciding to buy one of these newer JVCs. So it is true, the newer JVC isn't as good as the older one. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.